How many pairs of cranial nerves are there in the human body? A. 31. B. 21. C. 12. D. 13. The correct answer is C. 12. What characteristic of sound is defined as how high or low a sound is? A. Pitch. B. Amplitude. C. Sound wave. D. Sonic boom. The correct answer is A. Pitch. Where was the indigo processed into dye? A. At the planters' factories. B. In local markets. C. In European factories. D. At the peasants' homes. The correct answer is A. At the planters' factories. What is one of the serious impacts of one-time use and throwaway plastics? A. Impacts on the environment and health. B. Reduced waste production. C. Increased biodiversity. D. Improved air quality. The correct answer is A. Impacts on the environment and health. What health issue has noise pollution been directly linked to? A. Stress. B. Improved hearing. C. Increased energy levels. D. Better concentration. The correct answer is A. Stress. Which of the following is not listed as a basic type of animal tissue? A. Connective tissue. B. Epithelial tissue. C. Nervous tissue. D. Skeletal tissue. The correct answer is D. Skeletal tissue. Which of the following are allotropes of carbon? A. Oxygen, ozone, nitrogen. B. Water, ice, steam. C. Charcoal, graphite, diamond. D. Gold, silver, copper. The correct answer is C. Charcoal, graphite, diamond. What was the highest pressure ever recorded? A. 999 megabits. B. 870 megabits. C. 1083.8 megabits. D. 1013.25 megabits. The correct answer is C. 1083.8 megabits. A chemical compound is formed when more than one element is joined together by what? A. An intermolecular force. B. A physical mixture. C. A chemical bond. D. A covalent bond. The correct answer is C. A chemical bond. How is urine conducted along the ureter? A. By gravitational pull. B. By diffusion through the ureter walls. C. By peristaltic movements of its walls. D. By the pumping action of the renal corpuscle. The correct answer is C. By peristaltic movements of its walls. Which of these factors is listed as a major cause of floods? A. Astronomical factors. B. Meteorological factors. C. Geological factors. D. Seismic activity. The correct answer is B. Meteorological factors. What is remarkable about the Jalgandeshwara temple at Vellore? A. Its location on a hill. B. Its small size. C. The number of pillars supporting it. D. Its unique roof design. The correct answer is C. The number of pillars supporting it. What type of civilization is the Harappan civilization said to be? A. Urban civilization. B. Rural civilization. C. Agricultural civilization. D. Nomadic civilization. The correct answer is A. Urban civilization. Which nations were mentioned as beginning to form a new International General Assembly and Security Council by 1941? A. France and Germany. B. The United States and Britain. C. Russia and China. D. Italy and Japan. The correct answer is B. The United States and Britain. What governmental body's powers and functions are to be critically examined? A. The Reserve Bank of India. B. The Election Commission. C. The Parliament. D. The Supreme Court. The correct answer is C. The Parliament. Which period is characterized by the beginning of agriculture? A. Bronze Age. B. Neolithic. C. Mesolithic. D. Paleolithic. The correct answer is B. Neolithic. What is the annual rainfall in regions that poses xerophytes? A. Less than 25 centimeters. B. Between 50 to 75 centimeters. C. Exactly 50 centimeters. D. More than 100 centimeters. The correct answer is A. Less than 25 centimeters. Why is direct measurement of the radius of an isolated atom not usually possible? A. Atoms are constantly moving. B. Atoms have no defined boundary. C. Atoms are too large. D. It is technically challenging. The correct answer is D. It is technically challenging. Which vein is an exception to the general rule of carrying deoxygenated blood? A. Jugular vein. B. Saphenous vein. C. Femoral vein. D. Pulmonary vein. The correct answer is D. Pulmonary vein. What vessels are formed by the major arteries that supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs? A. Right and left pulmonary veins. B. Superior and inferior vena cava. C. Right and left coronary arteries. D. Right and left pulmonary arteries. The correct answer is D. Right and left pulmonary arteries. Which dynasty's emergence signifies the return of significance to Magad after the fall of the Kamwas? A. Yavana. B. Gupta. C. Saka. D. Satvahan. The correct answer is B. Gupta. Which countries were particularly engaged in wars against Republican France? A. Austria, Prussia, and later England. B. Spain and Portugal. C. Sweden and Denmark. D. Russia and Ottoman Empire. The correct answer is A. Austria, Prussia, and later England. How many kilograms are in 1 metric ton? A. 100 kilograms. B. 10 kilograms. C. 10,000 kilograms. D. 1,000 kilograms. The correct answer is D. 1,000 kilograms. Who led the Confederacy in the South Indian Rebellion, Second Palyakkarar War? A. Maviran Algumuthukon of Ettyapuram. B. Pulitheva of Nerkattum Seval. C. Marudu Pandyar of Shivganga. D. Veerapandya Kattabomman of Panchalmakurichi. The correct answer is C. Marudu Pandyar of Shivganga. Which of the following is considered a source of renewable energy? A. Petroleum. B. Nuclear. C. Coal. D. Biogas. The correct answer is D. Biogas. Besides shipbuilding and iron and steel making, what other pre-colonial industrial activity is mentioned? A. Printing. B. Paper production. C. Glass blowing. D. Textiles. The correct answer is D. Textiles. What are the most crucial molecules for the integrity and ability of the human brain? A. Saturated fats. B. Simple carbohydrates. C. Essential fatty acids. D. Amino acids. The correct answer is C. Essential fatty acids. What is defined as the process of changing raw materials into a finished product? A. Production. B. Consumption. C. Marketing. D. Distribution. The correct answer is A. Production. What did Guru Mia emphasize regarding religion? A. Its egalitarian nature. B. Its political power. C. Its exclusive nature. D. Its hierarchical structure. The correct answer is A. Its egalitarian nature. What is formed when white light is passed through a medium that separates its colors? A. A single ray of light. B. A spectrum. C. A concentrated beam. D. A black hole. The correct answer is B. A spectrum. How did you score?